This evening in Primetime News, unacceptable. Relatives of restaurant explosion victim upset with response of operators.
Worrying times for loved ones of two young people swept away at St. Mary River.
And the public sector groups wrap up outstanding wage agreement issues with the government. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com or on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, had its quarterly press briefing today, and they told us that government revenues were ahead of budget for April to July. I'll have those details later on in the financial week.
And Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, there were two Jamaican winners on the opening day of the Brussels Diamond League Finals. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with what's to come in this evening's weather reports.
Thanks, Kalisha. We have been having consistent afternoon rain over the past week, and we are expecting an increase tomorrow as a tropical wave is moving over the area.
There's also sports commentary in the E-Prime later in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what is your approach when faced with flooded pathways or rough river or sea?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.